In 2022, Meta dropped 77%, but just a few years later it made a full recovery and then some, soaring over 700% from its lows. Right now I found 3 stocks in almost the exact same position Meta was in back then. In this video I'll reveal what they are and where they could be headed next. You won't want to miss this, so let's dive in. Starting with the first stock on our list, which is Chubb Limited, ticker symbol CB. It's currently trading around $269, and recently we have seen the price pull back. In a way, this is good because we are getting an opportunity to get in at a discount before it takes off again. Kind of like being able to get into Meta around the $80 range before it took off to over $700. But the key question for Chubb Limited is how high can we see the price go? To answer that, we can use a tool called the Fibonacci extension, which looks like this for CB, and the way it works is as the price starts climbing up, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find resistance. So we usually see the price go up to one of these Fibonacci levels, retrace a little bit, go up to the next one, retrace, and so on. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these Fibonacci areas, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So based on this, what are some areas where we could see the price find some strong resistance and where we might want to consider taking some profits? The first level is going to be around here, which is $315. The next price target is going to be up here, which is $354. And the third level is going to be around here, which is $417. There are some price targets above these three as well, and I'll talk more about those in future update videos as the price gets closer to these three targets. So as the price starts climbing up, locking in some profits as it gets to our key Fibonacci levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. Having an exit strategy will enable you to make the most of runs like this, and it can help you take profits before heavy retracements. The only thing worse than not taking profits when the price is up here is initially getting in around here and watching the price dip straight away. This does not feel good, but there are tools we can use to reduce the chances of situations like this happening. And one of these tools is called the Fibonacci retracement, which looks like this for Chubb Limited, and the way it works is as prices start retracing, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find support before it bounces back up. Investors using this tool like to either buy or average down around these Fibonacci areas, which enables them to have an average entry price as close to the bottom of the retracement as possible. So based on this, what are some areas where we could consider either getting into Chubb Limited or potentially averaging down? The first entry point is going to be around here, which is $264. And the level below this is going to be around here, which is $253. So initially getting in at the higher Fibonacci level and dollar cost averaging down at this level if the retracement continues could be an entry strategy worth considering. So Chubb Limited is the first stock on our list, and you've probably noticed that I'm using technical analysis to break this down. Some people trade based on the news, others focus on earnings, and then there are those like myself who stick to charts and indicators. There are lots of different ways to invest, but if you're wondering which strategy performs the best, the one that's given me the biggest edge is investing alongside key US politicians. Over the past few years, this approach has consistently outperformed everything else I've tried. When certain politicians make moves in the market, it often signals something bigger, and being able to track that has made a huge difference in my results. If you're curious about how it works, I put together this free video that walks you through the exact strategy I use, including real trade examples and the returns it's delivered over the last 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you want to see how powerful this strategy can be. Coming back to the second stock on our list, which is Adobe, ticker symbol ADBE. It's currently trading at $370, but has the potential to go much higher from here. And to figure out how much higher, we can use the Fibonacci extension again to get some price targets. So I've just drawn the Fibonacci extension on the chart here, and this is what it looks like. Adobe seems to have found some resistance around this Fibonacci level and pulled back from there, which is not a huge concern because that is what we expect to see at key Fibonacci levels. But some areas where we could see even stronger resistance and where you might want to consider taking some profits are going to be the following. The first price target is going to be around here, which is $574. The level above this is going to be up here, which is $645. And the third price target is going to be up here, which is $746. From the current price, we're looking at 100% upside to this price target, which is decent, but we can get even higher returns if we can secure some cheaper entries. And to get some entry points, we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool for Adobe as well, which looks like this. And the entry points are going to be the following. The first entry level is going to be around here, which is $361. And the level below this is going to be around here, which is $280. Now, if you're thinking, okay, these entry levels make sense, but I don't have the time to constantly keep an eye on the price to catch it when it hits these entries, then don't worry because I've got a free solution for you. I've recently started this free service that you can sign up for, and I'll send you alerts as soon as the price hits our entry points and also our price targets completely for free. The link to join this is in the description below, but don't worry about signing up now. Feel free to continue watching this video and I'll remind you about it at the end. So Adobe was the second stock on our list. Let's now move on to the third one, which is Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. It's currently trading around $48 and we can use the Fibonacci extension tool for this as well to get some price targets, which looks like this. And some areas where you might want to consider taking some profits are going to be the following. The first price target is going to be around $51. The level above this is going to be around here, which is $56. And the third price target for Bank of America is going to be up here, which is $70.54. So similar to what we said for the previous stock, as the price starts climbing up, locking in some profits as it gets to these key Fibonacci levels could be an exit strategy worth considering. And when talking about the exit strategy, we also have to talk about the entry strategy. So to do this, let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for Bank of America. So this is what the Fibonacci retracement is looking like, and some areas where you might want to consider either getting in or averaging down are going to be firstly $43. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $41. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $39. I will be making update videos on these stocks as the price gets close to our key Fibonacci levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll also be bringing you the best investment opportunities multiple times a week, so that's another reason to subscribe. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. And if you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to this free video explaining everything is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Also, as promised, this is your reminder to sign up for the free alerts. The link to join this is also going to be in the description below. It's worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. If you have any thoughts on these three companies, then feel free to let me know in the comment section below. I read every single comment. And if any stocks have been catching your attention recently, feel free to let me know about those as well. Would be good to learn about them. If you'd like to watch another video where I talk about a stock that has a potential upside of 1700%, then feel free to click on the video that's currently on your screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.